The first step is to simply go to Netlify, and then what we're gonna have to do next is simply click on deploy to Netlify. And then what we're gonna have to do is simply sign up with our GitHub account. And basically, so I'm gonna use mine, this one here. So this is the first time I'm logging in this account. Now we're gonna get redirected here. We're gonna have to simply enter our first and last name, then simply choose for what you're gonna use Netlify. So I'm gonna choose personal, and then here I'm gonna use something else, and then project type. So here I'm gonna type in personal. Now what you're gonna have to do next is simply choose here whatever we want, and then here simply enter the project name or your name. So I'm gonna enter my name, and then we're gonna have to simply click on continue to deploy. Now here we're gonna have to choose GitHub again, and then we're gonna have to simply authorize this platform. So as you can see, it's authorized, and now we're gonna have to simply install Netlify on our GitHub account. So click on install, and from here we're gonna be able to choose what we want to deploy. So I'm gonna choose this one here. This is a simple test, and basically that's all we have to do. Now here we can simply go back. So as you can see, we have the project, so we're gonna have to simply wait until this loads up, and basically our GitHub project would be deployed. Now as you can see, mine failed because this is a random project I just created for this tutorial. But if you have a GitHub project that works, you're gonna be able to deploy it here, and you're gonna be able to go to the backend by clicking here on the settings button, and basically that's all you have to do. So I really hope you found this video helpful. Don't forget to like and subscribe. Thanks for watching.